My name is Vivek Mano, and I'm the founder of Wigl. Wigl is your musical education robot buddy. So whether you're singing, playing your instrument, or playing music, Wigl dances around and interacts with the notes that it hears. We need better engineers, and a big part of that is getting to kids at an early age. So my goal was to build a toy to encourage their creativity, and my hope is that with Wigl we will get creative engineers out there. With all the testing that we've done, I've gotten to interact with hundreds of parents and children, and you can see their faces light up when they see a robot move based on the notes that they're playing with the instrument that they're given. So an A might make it move forward, a B backwards, and a C and a D could turn it left and right. With those notes, if they played in order correctly and play a song, it does a little wiggle. And that's why it's called Wigl. You can program it through notes to move certain ways and program your own dances as well. Based on this technology, we have a platform to enable kids to learn science, engineering, mathematics, and robotics. You have your musical instrument and Wigl, and that's all you need. We have a talented team that's ready to bring Wigl to you. Support us by pre-ordering a Wigl and spread the word to everybody. Thanks.